Hey, this your girl Tiffany coming today. I just did a review for y'all for this lace wig I have on. Her name is Ellen. She's by the Isis collection, Red Carpet Comfort. She's a F130. She's a F1B30. You see that? You see that? Ain't nobody got time for that. Yo. Those streaks are popping something crazy. You see that? Those streaks looks crazy. I love it. So, I forgot to tell y'all in the last video what I did. As you can see, all of these streaks. I have to do it a little bit more. You see how the blonde starts from right here? The blonde starts from the root. What I did, just right up in the front, sorry, I have a cold, y'all. What I did right up in the front, I took a black magic marker and I started painting that right there so it could look like root first and then the streak, because it was just looking too fake, too fugazi. Like, I'm not with that. Like, it was looking crazy. So don't get me wrong, I love this wig because the curls is just everything. Is giving me life right now, but I just was not feeling how the streak was starting from right here and then going out. Like, you needed to have like some play root at the top. You see what I'm saying? So also what I forgot to tell y'all, it's a lot of parting room. The parting is from here into here. That's a lot of space. A lot of wigs ain't giving you that. Some wigs is just giving you from here to here. Feel me? They giving you all of this. So that's what's up. Also, from my local beauty supply store, this wig cost me $35, and I believe it was that price because it was 30% off of all synthetic lace front wigs. So I got a nice little deal on this, but I really think that you guys should give Ellen a try out, because Ellen is giving me life. If you like that subtle Lauren London look, I'm feeling, you know, everybody likes Lauren London. She's a cutie, but this is what she's giving you. If you don't like it too curly like this, just take your paddle brush, comb her out like this, and twirl her up. Pull it down to your boob. Ooh, I ain't like that neck roll. And just gives you very subtle Lauren London. See what I'm saying? Same over here. Pull her down. Brush her out. Twirl her around. Pull it to your boob. And there you go. That's it. That's all you need. A quick, on the go, let's go boo, put your wig on, get your makeup popping, let's go. So that's why I'm feeling this. So I just had to come back real quick and let you guys know what it is and what it do. So holla at your girl. If you like this wig, thumb me up, thumb me down, you know, whatever you choose to do. I don't block comments. I don't block the thumbs up or the thumbs down. It is what it is. This YouTube. Feel me? So leave your comment. Let me know if you guys like this. If you want to see more lace front wigs or wigs, you know, if you want me to buy something, see how it may look on me. You can use me as the guinea pig. It's okay, because I do the YouTube searches. I like to see how stuff look on other people also. That's where, you know, I find out if I want to try a wig or not. So just holla at me. Thank you guys. Thanks for supporting me. Love you. Mwah.